Welcome back to the channel. Today I am at the Drury and Bathurst car wash. That's a touch-free car wash. I'm gonna to try to see how it works, and hopefully guys you will enjoy the same experience that I have. So this one is without brushes around, it's just a touch-free. So we're gonna go through that and I will show you step by step what's going on. So far I'm waiting to enter the code. As you can see guys, there is a code that you have to put on this machine. As soon as you're putting the code in the machine, the door will be open and we're gonna go inside. But before we start it guys, please hit that subscribe button and we're gonna start moving forward. Okay, so that's asking me for a code. As you can see guys, you see that? I'm gonna enter the code. Oh.
Please enter your code by touching the corresponding buttons. Touch. Thank you. When the wash is ready, please pull forward into the wash.
As you can see guys, the machine is telling you everything what you need to do. So we're gonna wait now until the door will be open and we're gonna enter inside. If you have a car like mine guys, make sure you lock in the door, because when you're going inside there is so much pressure it can open the fuel door, and you don't want to have the fuel will be mixed with the water. So make sure that if you have a car like mine, like Honda Civic, we don't have a cap when we're closing the tank, so the fuel tank. So this one is gonna protect you when you're locking the door, so the fuel door will not open automatically. Let's wait and see guys. I hope you enjoy, and if you're new in my channel guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. As you can see here guys, it says enter code, so I did that. Now I'm waiting for the green light. So when the green light comes, the door will open and I'm gonna go in. The one thing that I want to mention that this one is there is no touch. So even if there is any brushes, some washer they have like a brushes. So a friend of mine, he went to that. He has a brand new car, and he went to the car wash. As you can see, guys, I'm moving forward. And what happens, as you can see, look at this, there is nothing, it's just a wash, and this thing is showing me when is the time to stop. You see guys over here, so I'm moving forward, and that red like drive slowly. As you can see, now I'm going slow, and now it said stop. So this is when I stop, and now I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna put my car in park and I'm gonna wait and see what's happened guys. As you can see here, this is the one that it start to spray. Looks nice. And I'm just gonna wait and see what's happening. See, it's coming from that side, so it's going around. What I have the premium one. So the premium one is that also protecting the paint. That's what they say. I don't know. Hopefully it does what it says. So now it's going around. It's going on the back of my car, and it's gonna approach from the right side. Here it comes here, as you can see guys, and now all this with the soap. So first of all, they're applying the soap, and whatever it says, what they mixing to protect the paint. So let's see guys what's gonna be the next step. So far I'm happy, as long as it's not touching and with the brushes my car, I'm happy. I don't want to scratches, and I want to make sure that after I'm finished with that, I want to make sure that the car is clean, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like after. Yeah, so I was saying my friend went for a car wash, and it was at Petro-Canada, and they have a brushes. So there was a car before, was very, very dirty, and it's left on the brushes. And when the car washed, he was when he came out, he saw that the car was more dirty than he went in. See, this is just the pressure, guys. It looks like it's just pressure around with the water. Let's see the back. It comes on top. So it's wash from the sides, the top, and it says here car in wash. Now we're gonna see what's happened next. Aha, that's probably to protect the paint. This is another soap. As I said, this is the premium wash. It's not the basic one. The basic one doesn't have all this. Okay. Now it's washed again. So it's like a double applying the soap on the car. And now it starts to clean up, wash it out. So far, I love it. The reason is, look at that beautiful, clean. All my windows clean out very nicely. So now it says racing. So it's just like that. The mirrors is also clean. About 10 more seconds, so it goes down now. Try to go slow to show you what it is, and now it's done. So I'm moving forward. I'm gonna show you guys after all this car wash premium how the car looks from outside. Gonna go slow forward, guys, just to make sure that you can see the end of the picture, how the car came out, if it's clean or there is something left on the car. The drying part is not as good as I was expecting. As you can see, there is still drops of water on the car, but let's see the quality of the wash. This is my car. Looks very, very nice and clean. As you can see, guys, it's still wet, but looks nice and clean. So that was the car wash, touch-free at Drury and Bathurst. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.